Premium quality construction. The wall plates are made of pure copper, providing the electrical outlet cover plates with long-term durability and stability that will stand the test of time. Replace your old outlet plates and upgrade your home with our collection of handcrafted luxurious wall plates for electrical outlets. Stylish and attractive, the pure copper outlet covers wall plates add a rustic feeling to any of your living spaces. The wall plate covers are a decorative accent for your bathroom, kitchen, office, living room or craft room. The surface of the outlet plates is hand-hammered and finished with a beautiful oil-rubbed bronze to provide added texture and elegance. Easy to install, the electrical outlet cover plate comes with installation hardware. Easy to clean, simply wipe down the wall plates for outlets with a soft cloth. Do not use any harsh or abrasive chemicals on the electric outlet covers. Item overall dimensions 3.125 by 4.875 x 0.2 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Love the look. Love the way it looks. Install was a bit of a pain. Had to adjust the outlets for it to fit.